Hello dear students, today we will do the chapter number 8 from your Beehive book. Name of the chapter is Reach for the Top. First part of the chapter, name of the first part is Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is a well-known name to everybody because we all know that she is the first Indian woman who climbed Mount Everest. She is not only the pride of her family, her society, but she is pride of our country also. She is one of those great people who brought laurels to their country, their family, their society. She was not only a good mountaineer, but she was a good human being by heart, by mind also. Let us read something about Santosh Yadav in this chapter. Santosh Yadav was born in a traditional family of a small village called Jauniawas in district Rewari of Haryana. She was born in a society where the birth of a girl child was not welcomed. Still in Haryana, even in country, there are many places where girl child are considered a stigma. They are considered a load on their family. Only boys are welcomed there. A holy man blessed Santosh's mother, thinking that she wanted a son. But he was great surprised to come to know that Santosh's grandmother told him that they wanted a daughter instead of a boy, instead of a son. That surprised the holy man a lot because in that time, means we are talking about many years before society. So at that time, usually people thought for boys child, always they welcomed boy child in their families. Whenever the girl was born in any of the family, the people thought that that was not that was not a wanted child in their family at all. So the holy man was surprised when he blessed Santosh's mother for the upcoming child. Santosh was born as a sixth child because grandmother wanted this time that they should have a girl, because Santosh was the sixth child in her family and before her there were five boys. She had five elder brothers. She was the sixth child in the family and the youngest child in the family and the only sister of five brothers. Therefore, she was given a lot of love and care in her family. Not like she was not treated like other girls in that time of society. Meaning of Santosh is contentment, but like her, the meaning of her name, she was not like that. She was not always content with her place in a traditional way of life. She was not satisfied with the way of life which she was given in her family. She began living life with her own terms from the very beginning. Where all the other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, she preferred shorts, and she said others also that she was determined to choose a different path. And also she suggested other girls and other persons to change their attitude, not her own. It clears that she was a strong and determined girl from the very beginning of her life. Determined for getting higher education. She was not determined regarding her personality, she was not determined regarding her attitude, regarding her nature, but also she was determined regarding her studies. Because at that time, in that time of society, people did not permit the girls to go out of their home even. And whenever the girls were provided the education, they were provided only primary education, which was in their villages schools only. So Santosh's parents were affluent landowners. They could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the schools of Delhi, which was quite close by. But following the custom of the family, Santosh had to study in the local school of their village. At the age of 16, Her parents wanted her to marry, as it was a trend at that time of society, that whenever the girl became 15 or 16 or 17 years old, they just got married at that early age. So Santosh's parents also wanted her to marry because she turned 16 that time. But Santosh would never marry. She threatened her parents. She declared before her parents that if she did not get proper education, she won't get married. And to achieve or to have higher education, she left her home and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. When her parents refused to pay for her education, her parents thought that when they would not pay for her education, she would definitely come back. But she politely informed them of her plan that she would earn money by doing some part time job and pay her fees by herself. Her parents thought that the girl was very haughty and determined also, so they had to bow down before her desire, and they went to Delhi and pay for her education and even allowed her to get the higher education by living in Delhi. Santosh passed the high school examination in Delhi, and then she went to Jaipur. She got admission in that college, Maharani College at Jaipur, and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. While living in Kasturba Hostel, she developed a passion for mountaineering while watching some climbers on Aravali Hills. Actually, from her room, there was a window, and from her room, she usually watched some people climbing on the mountain. And that inspired her a lot, and she herself decided that she would have a career in mountaineering. Then she saved money and got herself enrolled in a course at Uttarakashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Thereafter, she went on expedition every year. Her climbing skill matured rapidly because of her uh, good learning skill and even her inclination towards learning and dedication. Everything mattered, and she learned about the climbing very fast, and she became a matured mountaineer very soon. And she was given a lot of responsibilities also. Also, she developed remarkable resistance to cold and altitude, means height. Equipped with an iron will means strong power of doing some task, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness. She was good by physique, she was strong by her willpower, and she had amazing mental toughness. Mentally, she was very tough. She was ever ready to face any of the hindrance in her life. She proved herself repeatedly every time, whenever and whatever she was given. She proved herself every time. And then finally, the time came when the hard work of Santosh brought great fruit and sincerity. In 1992, when when she conquered the Mount Everest, became the youngest woman in the world, not only in India but in the world, to achieve the feat. She was only of 20 years at that time. So think about her, that she was too young to achieve that target. So we can say that Santosh Yadav was determined, and her determination, her willpower, her dedication, and her focus towards the aim brought all the fruit to her, because there is no alternate of hard work, and no doubt she did a lot of hard work to achieve that success. In her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors. Her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of the folk climbers. So, Santosh Yadav was not only physically fit, mentally tough, but she was soft by heart also. She was soft by tongue also. And that softness and sweetness of her heart and tongue made a special place in the heart of her colleagues and even seniors. So during 1992 Mount Everest mission, she provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the south corner. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. She tried her best, but she was unable to save her friend. However, she managed to save another climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate if she hadn't shared her oxygen with him. She was unable to save one of her friend, one of her uh, team member, but she saved the other member of her team by sharing her oxygen cylinder with him, because he was also in the same condition as the previous friend was there. But luckily she became successful in saving his life. She was not only concerned to her teammates, he was not only concerned to the people in her surroundings, but also she was having the same concern to the environment also. So you can easily call her a good environmentalist. So within 12 months, she found herself a member of Indo-Nepalese Women's Expedition. Only within 12 months of after her training, she became the member of Indo-Nepalese Women's Expedition that invited her to join them. She then conquered the Everest second time by being a member of that group. She was given Padma Shri award. She is also a fervent environmentalist. She collected and brought 500 kg of garbage from Himalaya. While standing on the top of the Mount Everest, she felt herself on the top of the world because she unfurled the tricolor. She unfurled the national flag of our country there. While doing so, she felt great proud on her country, on herself, on her victory also. And she felt that she was on the top of the world. That was a great and proud moment not only for her but for we people also. She held it a lot on the roof of the world. She held it a lot of the roof of the world. She felt that she was on the roof of the world because Mount Everest was the highest peak in the world, and you can say that it is a roof. Himalaya is the roof of the world. And she was full of pride at that time while doing so, while unfurling the tricolor of our country in the Himalaya by becoming the first woman in the world doing mountaineering Mount Everest, and even second time when she was doing so, it became a great moment of pride for her, for we also. So Santosh Yadav proved herself that she was an iron lady. She was a great determined lady who became an inspiration for many other girls who born in backward society, narrow thinking society, in villages also where girl child is not considered uh, a boon for their family, and she proved herself that she was a boon, she was a blessing for her family, and she made other girls inspired that they also are a blessings like her. They are not lower in any of the case than the boys. A girl can do everything. A girl can do all the things whatever a boy can. So, this chapter conveys the message to all of us that one must set one's eyes on the stars and strive hard to achieve the goal through hard work, determination, and constant and persistent efforts. Instead of complaining against the ills in society, one can dare to change the system and shape one's own destiny. Exactly. If Santosh thought that she was a girl who was born in a village and she accepted every suggestions and orders of her parents and society people. Then she would live a life like her mother and like her, or like the all other village women. But she thought that she was different from the common person. She thought that she was having a good talent, good caliber, and she was inclined to that caliber, and she identified her potential and she used her potential to achieve the best of her life without taking care of all the hindrances, without taking care of all the obstacles, without taking care that what the people would think about her. She focused on her goal only and definitely did hard work. So, dear students, there is no other option, there is no substitute of hard work, and hard work can be possible by keeping determination, by keeping an eye on the goal of one. If we keep an eye on the goal of our life and we are determined to achieve that goal, and we are determined to do each and every kind of hard work to achieve that goal, then there is no chance to get failure. And that was done by Santosh. Once one has achieved great heights, one must shoulder the responsibility to achieve success and glory in their own area of interest, just like Santosh Yadav has done. It means if any time we achieve the great height, we set ourselves as an example for others. So it becomes our responsibility that we should remain that example always. We should achieve that success, and we should improve that glory in the area of interest which we have, and in the area of success which we have. So one must shoulder the responsibility to achieve success and glory in their own area of interest. It means the writer wants to say that Santosh Yadav got the success first time, second time, and she remained there every time for all the other mountaineers as an inspiration. She took that responsibility to motivate other people like her. So, this is the chapter Reach on the Top. Name of the person who became the inspiration for that richness, that reaching, is Santosh Yadav. So, I hope you all have great inspiration. You all people had great inspiration. You all people have great motivation from that great person named Santosh Yadav. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy.